Hi guys, today we are working on questions 14, 15, and 16. At this point you should have realized that we have started our third college essay, which is Essay 3A by Hugh Gallagher. Now this one's a little bit different from our previous two because this one is more of a joke or a parody. So this is something that he wrote as a joke because when you write college essays, you want the college to think that you are this perfect human being and you always put in the things that you are really good at. So Gallagher takes it a little step more and makes his essay kind of really funny because of the things that he puts in it. So I need you to understand that the things that he is writing about are not true. Okay, he's making fun of how you write a college essay. All right, question number 14. In paragraph 1, Gallagher states that he is a dynamic figure. Which details does he give to support this claim, and how do these details create humor? So let's take a look at paragraph 1. It says, I am a dynamic figure, often seen scaling walls and crushing ice. I have been known to remodel train stations on my lunch breaks, making them more efficient in the area of heat retention. I write award-winning operas. I manage time efficiently. Occasionally, I tread water for 3 days in a row. So, what is it that he is talking about when he says he is a dynamic figure, and why is this funny? So let's pull out that sentence where he specifically says why he is a dynamic figure. So there it is. I am a dynamic figure often seen scaling walls and crushing ice. Okay, so why is this funny? All right. Who scales walls? Well, right away, what pops into my mind is Spider-Man, right? Spider-Man scales walls. Do you really think that Hugh Gallagher can scale walls? Probably not, right? Who can crush ice? Well, anybody can crush ice. We can take ice and we can crush it. That's all humans can do that. So why is this silly? Why does this create humor? Because he's putting two ideas together that are very silly. He's talking about scaling walls, which nobody can do, and then he's talking about crushing ice, which everyone can do. So that's why he is saying he's dynamic, because he can do things that nobody can do, and then he could do things that everybody can do. Why does this create humor? Because it's two totally, completely different ideas. Okay, that should help you with question number 14. Question number 15. On page 11, you read that this essay is a parody or a humorous piece of writing that imitates or makes fun of a serious piece of writing. Cite one example from, that should say from, paragraph 3 that demonstrates this. Explain your answer. Okay, here we go. Paragraph 3. Using only a hoe and a large glass of water, I once single-handedly defended a small village in the Amazon basin from a horde of ferocious army ants. I play bluegrass cello. I was scouted by the Mets. I am the subject of numerous documentaries. When I'm bored, I build large suspension bridges in my yard. I enjoy urban hand gliding. On Wednesdays after school, I repair electrical appliances free of charge. So this question is asking you to pull out all of the things that he is making fun of, all of the things that are kind of crazy. There's a lot. So let me give you a second to think about some of those things that are not exactly true or that are exaggerations. So here are the ones that I pulled out. And as you can see, it's pretty much the whole paragraph, right? Single-handedly defending a small village in the Amazon basin from a horde of ferocious army ants? Silly. I was scouted by the Mets? Probably not. I am the subject of numerous documentaries? Thinking no. I build large suspension bridges in my yard? Absolutely not. Enjoy urban hang gliding? Probably not. Repair electrical appliances free of charge? Again, probably not. So here are some good examples for you to use in question number 15. Remember, you only need one that demonstrates that this is a parody or a humorous piece of writing, and then explain why you think that this is silly. Question number 16. In paragraph 4, Gallagher uses the word yet to connect two different ideas. What are these ideas? Paragraph 4. I am an abstract artist, a concrete analyst, and a ruthless bookie. Critics worldwide swoon over my original line of corduroy evening wear. I don't perspire. I am a private citizen, yet I receive fan mail. I have been called caller number 9, and have won the weekend passes. I bat 400. My deft floral arrangements have earned me fame in international botany circles. Children, trust me. Okay, so we're looking for the sentence with the word yet in it. There it is. I am a private citizen, yet I receive fan mail. Okay, so what is that word yet connecting? There's two different ideas there. So what are those ideas that the word yet is bringing together? So if you are a private person, right, that means that you don't like people knowing what your business is, probably stay inside a lot. Would you receive fan mail? Who receives fan mail? When we think of fan mail, who do we think of? Superstars, singers, people that are always on social media, always on the TV. Are those private people? Probably not, right? So these ideas are connected by the word yet, but they are different. So he's a private person, yet he receives fan mail. So that's why that's kind of silly, that idea, because you can't be a private person and still get fan mail. All right, that should help you with question number 16. All right, see you guys later.